Hey guys, Hasham here from Exodius Auto Protection, and here we have this Tesla Model Y getting full Prime XR Plus window tint. So what we've gone ahead and done is we've tinted basically everything aside from the windshield and the sunroof. So that includes all these side windows. And what we did to it, you can see we matched the rear darkness to the front. That way when you're looking at the side of the car, you're not noticing, this being any darker than the rear, which is very important. It looks a lot more cohesive. It looks a lot better. What we've also gone ahead and done on the rear windows is applied clear Prime XR film, very high in percentage, around 80%, so it's practically clear. What that's going to do, it's not going to make it any darker, but it is going to add all these ceramic benefits to it. And, she's going to have a car that is a lot cooler. Definitely a great, great addition to any Tesla. It's also going to add to your range, keeping the car cooler during the spring and summer months and keeping the car hotter, trapping that heat inside and not letting it escape during the winter months. So you're getting more range, you're getting more comfortability out of your car. So it's definitely a worthwhile investment. It also comes with a lifetime warranty. If you're looking to get something similar done to your Tesla or any of your vehicles, please give us a call or fill out the form online and we'll give you a call. Thank you.